Got a Rauland Borg nurse call system that needs some TLC? We've got you covered. At BEC Integrated Solutions, we specialize in breathing new life into your Rauland Borg systems. With us, you get high-volume, top-quality repairs at the lowest prices in the industry. No cutting corners here. Our expert team guarantees exceptional service, backed by a 1-year warranty on all repairs and pre-owned parts. That's right, peace of mind with every fix. Why replace when you can repair? We repair all models including Rauland Responder 3 to 5 and 3000 to 5000, ensuring your system runs smoothly for years to come. Plus, our pre-owned parts offer the same reliability and save you thousands compared to the cost of new parts. Stop wasting money on unnecessary replacements. Choose BEC Integrated Solutions and keep your Rauland Borg system running strong without breaking the bank. Ready to save big and stay reliable? Contact us today to schedule your repair service. BEC Integrated Solutions, your trusted partner for Rauland Borg repairs. We also repair other nurse call systems like Ascom, Zettler, Hill-Rom, Duquesne, and more. Let's keep your systems and your budget happy.